Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the organization on your Quire website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply what we need to do, we have to go to the website. And after going to the website, as you can see, you will get the pillars icon here. So we have to click on the pillars icon. And after clicking on the pillars icon, you will get the add organization option here. So we have to click on that. And after clicking on that, as you can see, now we need to provide the name. For example, I'm going to provide the name like Hissam's organization. So let's provide the name. I'm going to provide the name Hissam's and org, and then simply I'm going to click on the create. And after clicking on the create, your organization will be created. So as you can see, now you can write a description, you can write whatever you want, and after that you can go back to the list. And as you can see, if you want to upgrade this, you can also do that, but I don't want this, so let's click on the free trial period. So as you can see, let's go to the back again, and let's click on this, go back to previous page. So as you can see, now you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your organization on the Quire websites. So see you guys in the next video.